Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Heavy to very heavy rains continues to lash Meghalaya's Garo Hills regions on Wednesday. This has caused several landslides and numerous bridges are washed away. A wooden bridge in Meghalaya's Garo Hills is totally destroyed. The heavy rain has totally disrupted the normal lives of the people in the region. Lots of rivers in the districts of the South Garo Hills and West Garo Hills are overflowing beyond the danger mark. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert, that is highest level of warning in the entire state of Meghalaya for next 2 days. Due to this heavy rain, many trees were uprooted, several roads are blocked, and waterlogging was also reported in many areas. Some roads has been cut off for few hours and still muddy. South Garo Hills were bashed by about 280 millimeters of rainfall in just 24 hours. This has caused heavy destruction in the region. The district administration had to shift 3 families of Bagmara area to nearby school building. Moreover, West Garo Hills is also another worst affected district and it has received 148 millimeters rainfall. The Indian Meteorological Department has asked people to be very careful and avoid fishing or camping or any other activity in the rivers. People are asked to move away from the landslide areas or downstream valleys. Authorities have cautioned people in the low-lying areas too. Indian Meteorological Department also cautioned about the flash flooding and said if there is any floods, people should move immediately to the higher grounds. The other regions in the state has also received 232 millimeters rainfall. Regions of Mausiram, which is known to receive the highest average rainfall on the earth, recorded 225.6 millimeters rainfall in last 24 hours. Agencies has further warned that under the influence of strong moist southwesterly winds, there is possibility of fairly widespread to widespread rainfall over Meghalaya during the next 4 to 5 days. The Indian state of Meghalaya is very likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall till July 3rd, with isolated extremely heavy rainfall on July 1, 2021. All northeastern states of India are also lashed by the heavy to very heavy rain since Tuesday. But in the last 24 hours, Bagmara, Mausiram and Sora or Cherrapunji in Meghalaya has received extremely heavy rain during the period. In Assam, Beki Mathanguri station received extremely heavy rain measuring 23 centimeters. Arunachal Pradesh is also lashed by heavy to very heavy rain since Tuesday. A depression at mean sea level in India runs from the northeast Uttar Pradesh to northeast Assam across Bihar and sub-Himalayan West Bengal. Moisture that storms from the Bay of Bengal to the northeast is taking place during the last few days due to strong southeasterly winds in the lower levels of the atmosphere. Under these weather conditions, the agencies said that light to moderate rain in many regions are likely. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.